Send me all of your recordings. All of it. I hope it's not too long for Discord.
It's 25 minutes.
And bruh, you can still send it, I think, right? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the. Yeah, did you wait? Did you what? Were you watching my stream?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see that?
I said something, I was like, yeah.
Yeah, and then I said yeah in the fucking stream the exact same way. Like look. It's like right
videos
here.
we are watching.
Kinda reminds me of that, I don't know why.
What the fuck is this?
Ah, yeah, fuck.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is the videos we are
Yeah.
watching.
Our next vid is whatever that is. Kinda reminds. Yeah.
Yeah,
I can't tell if it's you right now or is it like in the game.
this is the videos we are watching.
It's the worst, like, God, I hate talking.
No, it's good. What?
Our next
My
vid
voice
is
sounds really weird, bro.
whatever
I
that
can't
is.
lie.
13 minutes long.
Yeah, it's so long, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, a 46-minute video we have to watch, dude.
I think that's the advanced 46.
What?
That's
Hang
for
on.
like hitboxes and stuff, I think.
Is this the fucking the flowers guy you were talking about?
Wait, where?
Okay, hang on. I'll send it to you, okay? Lex, you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay.
Wait, is that you talking? Okay.
Yeah, it's not the it's not the recording. Here, wait, I'll try sending it in to you through Discord if it doesn't work.
Alright. It's probably not gonna work.
Oh,
It's like,
yeah. What the
yeah.
fuck? Yeah, it's way too big. I can't send a 25-minute video to you.
Just gotta cut it.
Wait, I could put it as an unlisted video on YouTube.
Should do that then.
Yeah, here, let me do that real quick. Shit.
So, probably
We're
stop
getting
streaming side.
we're getting off track.
No, we're not. We have all night.
Love ya.
We have all summer. Love ya.
Love ya.
Ja.
Ja. All right, hang on. Let me create. And then I put the file in the thing, and then I send it off to the place.
No thumbnail. It's just like a blank screen.
Yeah, hang on. It's trying to upload the video. No, it's not made for kids.
No, it's not made for kids.
All right. And then I'm gonna make it like a. Hang on, it's gotta upload. Yeah,
11
I'm gonna make
minutes.
it an
God.
unlisted video, and then I'll give you the link. Okay.
Okay.
You just gotta wait fucking 11 minutes.
It's fine.
God, it's cool. Yeah, I guess.
Let's continue though.
All right, yeah. All right, let's go. Shit. Oh, boy.
Functions work and how this is going to be useful inside of future episodes. So that's pretty much going to be it for the introduction to functions. What I want you to do for today's learning objective is to
Learning objective, bro. Okay, whatever. Fucking next video.
Not doing that, dude.
What do I want you to do for today's learning objective?
I want you to do this 3 more times.
Welcome back to my Roblox beginner scripting tutorial guide. My name is Braldev, and in
My
this
name is
episode we'll be
Braldev?
talking about
Fucking-
4 things
why does he
that
do that?
all link to each other to make this
This
one
intro.
video.
My
Those
name is
being
Shark.
math,
name
You're gonna
is-
have
programming,
one
my name
when
is
you make a
Shark.
YouTube
documents,
channel.
and
What is up,
Welcome
guys?
back, guys. My bruh.
Welcome back, guys. My name is Shark. My name is Shark.
And today
I
we
will
are
bite you.
playing-
I will bite you. I am a shark, and I will kill you because I am a shark. And today we're learning how to play. We're learning how to use Lua. Lua coding. Me and Lexion.
Learning coding with Shark.
Learning coding
Shut the
with
fuck-
Lexion. Lexion. What is up, guys? Sorry, got something in my
Bless
throat
you.
there. Thanks. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Shark and Lexion episode. What the fuck is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Me and Lex, we're learning Lua coding.
Hello.
What are your thoughts on the word Lexion on Lua coding?
I don't know. Alright, you're asking me. Like,
No, bruh. It's rhetorical. You're supposed to remain
fuck.
silent
Okay,
and
God.
look at me in
Yo, that was my
despair.
fault.
Why are you
Okay,
inactive? Get
Let me just shut up.
open the damn game. Open the damn game. All right, hang on.
Because I'm inactive? Wait, fuck.
Dude, this looks like one of those fucking like interloper maps that Interloper would make.
Dude, I love
Hey yo,
TF2.
shout out Interloper.
Like,
Shout out Interloper, bro. Go watch it. I'm gonna link it down in my. I'm gonna link it down in the
Dude.
description. For legal reasons, I am not a cop.
yeah, whatever.
Yeah, but
Copyright from Interloper.
copyright Interloper. Please, Interloper, don't copyright me. I'm just.
Dude, I'm like your biggest fan. Please copyright me. I'm gonna
Dude, it's my
screenshot it
dream
and
to
like
be-
keep it for life.
It's my dream to be copyrighted by the Interloper.
return statements, but we're going to go through each of them one by one inside of this episode, and it's going to be one of the more important episodes, so I really want you to pay attention to this episode.
I'm paying
So
attention.
first thing we're going to start with is learning about math.
I'm not.
Now,
I'm paying
I'm
attention.
going
Yeah.
to assume
I'm
that
not really
you
paying
know
attention.
like the basics of math with operations like addition,
I know a lot of
subtraction,
math.
Multiplication and division, all those sorts of things.
Me
If you
too.
don't know how to do
I
those
know
things,
lots of
well
math.
then
I don't believe you do,
think you're
but
ready
I
for
do.
this video.
I don't
I'm sorry to
believe
tell
you
you
know
that.
math.
But I'm going to assume that you do know those things. So if that is the case, then we can go ahead and continue with this tutorial guide. So what we're actually going to do is go to the right side and disable our function script, and we're going to go through the same thing, which is hitting
God,
the plus
shut
sign
up.
in
That's
the
we don't
workspace,
care. We don't
searching
care.
up for a
We're
script,
already
we're going to
there.
insert
We're already
that,
there.
and then we're going to rename this script. So right click on it and then rename
No, we're not.
to
God.
math.
No, yeah, voice scripts.
Just like
Look,
that.
voice scripts.
Okay, and I'm also going to delete this statement right over here.
I
So I'm
didn't
going to
see
hit
that.
Control A and then delete just like this. So when we're working with math, so in this case, it's going to be basic operations like addition, subtraction, all those other things. We basically take two numbers and then we do the operation that we specify in between
Yeah,
those two
yeah,
numbers.
okay.
And we can do this by having a variable if we want that to be the case. So what we can do is write a variable. So we're going to say local, and we can make this an addition variable. So we can call this just simply addition, but you can name this whatever you want to be. We're going to set
We'll
this
call it,
equal to two numbers
math.
with whatever operation we decide to use for
Stop, what the
this
fuck? When'd you do that?
statement. So what we can do is
It's 'cause
put
I'm
two
talking.
numbers here. So we can say, let's
God.
say 2, and then we're going to say plus. So this is going to be a plus sign indicating addition plus 2, just like this. And if we were to print the statement, so if we were to say print, open and close parentheses, and then we throw in
Oh, it's gonna be
addition
4.
over here just like this, and we go into the game, hit play, then what we should see in the output is the number 4. So if we click on it, we can see that if we put 2 and then we put a plus sign with another 2, then that's going to be an addition of 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, and that's going to be set equal to addition, and it's going to print that inside of the output with this addition variable. So I'm going to hit stop, and that is the basics of using math inside of your
Let's
script.
see.
But there are other operations.
Oh
we
my
can
god,
use.
it did it,
So if we were
dude.
to, let's
Oh
say,
my god, guys, look, I
Yeah,
did
wait,
it.
what if you do subtraction instead of addition?
Oh my god, what if we do subtraction? Watch. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do, guys?
Yeah, no
Wow,
way.
yeah, 0. Oh my god.
Dude, I thought it was gonna be like 1,000 or something,
Dude,
but
I
I
thought it was
guess I
gonna be
was
like
wrong.
fucking like, dude, I don't even know what I
Shut
thought
the
it was gonna
use subtraction, then we would replace this plus sign with
Yes,
a
yes.
minus symbol, just
I
like this,
agree,
which is 2
I
minus 2.
concur.
Or
I
we can
concur.
replace this with
I-
the asterisk.
yeah.
So if we hold Shift 8, then this is what the multiplication symbol looks like for 2 times 2, which is 4. Or we can replace this with the division symbol, which is going to be a forward slash. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and so that's what it would print out inside of the output here. So that's
He's
the
like
basics of using
explaining it
math,
to us
but
if
this
it's
is
for
going to be very helpful
preschoolers.
for the next 2 things we're going to be
That's
talking
good,
about,
dude.
which is going to be parameters
Yeah, I guess it
and
is good.
functions. So what I'm going to do is go back to our game, and I'm
Okay.
actually going to disable our new math script that we just created, and I'm going to re-enable our function script over here. So this is the script we created in the last episode. Now, if you remembered how a function is created, we basically have a local keyword with the function declaration right here, and then the name of the function over here, and then we have open and close parentheses. So what's interesting about these open and close parentheses is that we can add parameters inside of these open and close parentheses so that we can use whatever's contained inside of these parameters in this function to get different results depending on what we use to call this function with. Now, that may sound confusing to you at first, but once we use this in practice, it'll make more sense. So what I'm going to do is delete everything that we've had in the script so far. So I'm just gonna hit backspace just like this, and we're going to create a new function that's going to add 2 numbers together. So what I'm going to do is say local function, and then we're just gonna call this just anything really. We're gonna call this addition, open and close parentheses. I'm going to select the right side and then hit enter just like this. And I'm going to go down here and then call the addition function just like this. Addition, open and close parentheses. And now we have our function declaration and also our function call right over down here. So this looks pretty similar to what we worked with in the last function that we created, but this time we're going to add parameters. Now, basically what a parameter is, it's basically a value that we can pass into this function so that we can use this value to make calculations within this function that we're calling. And so the way we separate these values is the way we create these values is by giving a
And the
name
way we,
for each of these parameters.
Trying to word
So,
it correctly.
if we wanted to add 2 numbers together, what we can do is basically make the name for our first number parameter. So what we can do is say number 1, just like this, but we can really call it whatever we want. We can even say num1, and we can even say n1, but for this example, we're just going to say number 1 like this. And each value that we add into this is going to be separated by a comma. So I'm going to add a comma, space, and then we're going to add the second number to here. So we're going to say number 2, just like this. And so these are our parameters that we can put inside of here so that we can make our addition calculation. So now what we're going to do here is with these 2 numbers that we have thrown into this addition function, we can create a result of the addition of these 2 functions. So we're going to say local result, or we can call this whatever we want, equals number 1 plus number 2. You can kind of think of these 2 numbers as variables for numbers that we pass into here. And so we basically add these 2 numbers together to get our result. And so we can now print our result variable that we just created, which is the result of these 2 numbers being added together. So now that we've added parameters, what we need to do is add arguments to this function so that it's basically represented as these 2 numbers right here. Now, what I'm talking about here is if we go down to the open and close parentheses inside of our function call, we can see that Roblox is telling us that we need to add a number for number 1, and we need to add a number for number 2. So in this case, we can add 2 numbers, let's say 5 and we can replace this with a comma, and then Roblox is going to tell us that we need a number 2 as well. So we can put in, let's say, 2. So basically, this is an argument and this is a parameter. The difference between arguments and parameters is that parameters is what we use to basically create our variables inside of our function declaration, and this is how we make our calculations. The arguments is going to be what values we throw into this function for the calculations that we're going to create inside of here. So as a result of this, what we're going to do now is go into the game and hit play, and what we should see in the output is the number 7.
Oh wait, I kind of got. Oh wait, I got it. Okay. I kind of got confused for a second.
Wait, I'm trying to figure this out. Hang on. I think I figured out where I got wrong. All right, yeah, got it. Yeah.
And now it's gonna be like 30 or something.
It was 25. What?
We're going to do now is go into the game and hit
Oh, that's a little embarrassing.
God.
Wait. Wait, why'd you put 20? Wait, fuck.
It's 5 plus 20.
Oh, it fucking put 7. Sweet.
play.
Okay.
And what we should see in the output is the number 7, because what we did was we took number 1 and number 2, we passed them in as the first argument for number 1, which is 5, and then the second argument for for number 2.
Whoa! We're learning something new every day, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Lex, we're
I
learning
guess.
something new every day.
Yeah, I mean, kind of always do. But God. Just stop talking to me. God. Leave me alone. I'm joking, you can keep talking to me. No.
I cannot.
What are you doing? Come back.
I'm right here.
Also, do you
hang
think
on.
the vid's done?
Probably. No, we still got like about 6 minutes,
Which
5
is
minutes.
2. We add them together and then we print out the result. I hope this part is
This
making
is
sense
just basic coding. Like I already know most of this.
to you so far.
I
It's a
don't think
very
we're gonna ever
important concept
use
you need to know
this.
about, and this isn't restricted to just
Yeah.
numbers. You can literally put in any values you want inside of here. So this could be let's say a
You want to skip the rest of this, or no? Let's just.
Returns look
shouldn't.
like it's
We shouldn't do
something.
that.
I wanna see what returns are.
string, which is gonna be whatever it is, or it could be a boolean as well. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as the calculations are accurate, because obviously you can't calculate a string plus a number, and you also can't calculate a boolean plus a number as well. So you have to make sure that whatever you pass inside of here is accurate to your calculations that you try and make. And I hope this part has made sense to you up until this point. We can even do this multiple times by dropping a line and then calling the addition function again. So we can put in, let's say, 3 as the first number and then 2 as the second number. And we can even add another addition function right here, which is, let's say, 9 for the first number and then 4 for the second number. If we go into the game and hit play, then what we should see in the output is different results depending on the numbers that we gave this function. So now this function gives different results based on the arguments that we give it versus giving us the same result every single time we call this function, which is why parameters and arguments are very powerful when it comes to adding these inside of your function.
So basically, local functions with endpoints mean like something that will always and forever be running or true, maybe, right?
No.
Because when it's called upon, it starts.
Yeah, I mean, I guess. I just understand the function part, not really
Yeah.
why would I ever need to do this unless I'm
when you
doing
make
math
them
or
inside
something.
your scripts.
Just use a
Now,
fucking
there's one
calculator.
Just use a calculator. Yeah, exactly.
One final thing we're going to do before we end off this video, and that's going to be introducing return statements. Now, basically what a return statement is it's a value when it gets calculated, it's going to return that value so that it's going to go back into where we called this
Oh,
function.
okay.
Now, I don't know if that completely made sense to you, but if I showed you
Sorry.
through scripting, then
Yeah.
I think you'll be able to understand it better. So what I'm going to do is delete these function calls to make this more simple. And instead of printing this result value, what I'm actually going to do is return this result once we calculate what number 1 plus number 2 is. So I'm going to delete this print statement, and what I'm going to do instead is say return in all lowercase, and then we're going to return this result. So we're going to say result just like this. And so this is our return statement. Now, what does this return statement do? Well, it returns the result of the calculation that we created back to where we called this function. So what we can do is create a variable that is attached to this function call so that we can take that value and then print it ourselves outside of this function. So what we're going to do is say,
Yo.
Wait, Earl, you're doing that.
Boy.
Fuck, my bad.
Oh wait.
Yo.
Yo.
local. We can call this print result just to make this just to differentiate this between this result, and we're gonna set this equal to the function itself. So we're gonna say addition, open close parentheses, and we can put in whatever two numbers we want inside of here. So we're going to say 8, and then for the second number we're going to say 2, just like this, as we separate these by commas. And this is basically how we get the result. It's by calling this function, and then once we add these two numbers, we return the result. So it's going to go back into here, and that's what print result is going to be set equal to. So now if we go down here and then write our print statement with print results, just like this, if we go into the game, hit play, then what we should see in the output is 10, because we did exactly what the script is supposed to do with return statements. So we create a variable on the outside, we set this equal to addition with our two numbers right here. These two numbers are then added, and then we use this return statement to return the result back to the print result variable. And so now we are printing that result, and that is how we use return statements inside of Roblox Studio. I hope this part has made sense to you so far. And if it has, this has been one of the more difficult things to learn about. So I...
Alright, now if I run it, it'll say 10, right?
Let me see what you're coding.
Yeah. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck happened?
No, it's not 10.
I did something. Oh, there's an error. Shit.
Wait, no, it's 10. Yeah, you're right. It's 10.
There's like 5 errors. Oh.
For me, it worked.
It works? Wait.
Yeah, for me, it's saying 10.
Oh. There's an equal sign somewhere in here. Oh my god, there's always some damn equal sign.
Bro. But it's working for
You
me.
need to stop. You need to get rid of this
It's
damn
fucking working.
equal sign.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Wait, it worked. Yo! Hey, yo, I'm learning. Hey, yo, I'm learning.
Yo, no way.
Hey, yo, I'm learning. Hey, yo, I'm learning. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Can commemorate you if you've been able to follow along up until this point. So now what I'm going to do is hit stop, and that is basically going to be it for this episode. Now, I want you to keep in mind that up until this point, we haven't really been saving our work. It is very important to save our work after we do anything important so that we don't lose any progress. So I'm going to go hit file, and then we're going to hit save to file. Now, you can also hit Control S, S for snake, so that we can save our game whenever we make changes to the game. So that's one.
Wait. Where's save to file?
It's, click on file and then it should be there. Maybe. Wait, do you not see it? Wait, you're right. I don't see it. It's because you're running, I think.
I don't know. No, I'm not. I'm not running. Wait.
I see it. I see it.
How do you see it? What the hell? Hang on, wait, what?
Oh no, but I'm gonna save it for you.
Hang on. Let me look at your scripts. Where are you? This is our world right now. Look, bro, this would be like a memory way back, way like farther than the day, bro.
I know.
Shit, I just deleted a script. Fuck, okay.
Fuck you.
Sorry,
God, always deleting my shit.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
More thing I wanted to add. Save our game when S for snake, so that we can save our game whenever we make changes to the game. So that's one more thing I wanted to add before we ended off this video. For today's learning objective, what I want you to do is make more
Learning
functions.
objective.
So I want you to make
okay, let's continue. Are you ready? Yes, I am.
I am ready.
Welcome back to my Roblox beginner scripting tutorial series. My name is Braldev, and in this episode we'll be discussing about if statements, but we're also going to be talking about else if statements and also else statements, since they all tie to the same concept.
Else.
So the first thing we're
Else
going to do is go on the right side, and we're going to disable any previous script we've made in the past couple episodes. So the one that's currently active is my function script, so I'm just going to disable this. And I'm going to insert a new script inside of the workspace by hitting the plus sign, searching up a script, and inserting a script inside of the workspace. I'm going to select this, right click, and I'm going to rename it to if statements, just like this, hit enter. And I'm also going to X out these tabs for these previous scripts just to make things more organized. And I'm also going to zoom in by holding control and moving inward just like this so we can see the text better. And now we have our proper setup for what we're going to be talking about for this episode. Okay, now if statements, it's a fundamental concept that we need to know when it comes to adding logic to
Alright, Lex, go to elf bitches.
What the fuck? Oh.
Yeah, go to elf bitches. There you are.
our scripts if we want to have a structure of executing specific codes if conditions are met. So what I'm talking about here with conditions is we're going to start with a if keyword in all lowercase, so it's going to look like this. And when we're making a conditional statement, it's tied to a Boolean value to determine if a condition either returns true or either returns false. So an example I can give you is if we were to see if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which obviously it is true, but if we were to type this out, so if we were to say 2 plus 2 equals 4, just like this, then we would have a true Boolean be returned with this conditional. Now you might see some errors here, and you might be wondering what this is all about. We can't use a single equal sign if we're trying to compare two numbers together. So 2 plus 2, that's 4, equals 4. Because this single equal sign is supposed to be an assignment operator. So we're trying to essentially set whatever's on the left side to whatever's on the right side. But if we're just doing a comparison, then what we need to do is add another equal sign just like this to make it a comparison operator and not an assignment operator.
Wow, you're smart.
And so once we do this, then what we're going to do on the right side is say then, just like this. So if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then what we're going to do is hit enter, and then Roblox is going to add an end keyword at the end here. So basically, if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then we can run whatever's inside of this branch. So we're going to write a print statement saying that 2 plus 2 does equal to 4, just like this. So now if we go
I'm not writing that, bro. I am writing, I'm gonna write, bitch please.
Game and hit test and hit play.
Bitch please. Bitch please.
Bitch please.
Bitch please. Wait, hang on, let's see. It types it, it says it. Alright, now let's see if equals 5, then it doesn't say shit. Yo! We learning, yo. We learning.
Yeah.
Yo. Can I slide it in your butt, Jerry? Can I slide it in your butt, Jerry?
Then what we should see in the output is that 2 plus 2 does indeed equal to 4. Now, let me tell you what happens if this does not equal to 4. So if I hit stop and I
Oh,
go
I
back into
already
our
figured.
script,
I already saw it. I already saw it. I already saw it.
I guess.
God, I already saw it.
not true because 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If we go into the game and hit play, then what we should see in the output is nothing being printed
Yo,
because 2 plus 3 does not equal to 4. That's why it basically
yeah.
skipped this line. So it's not
Sorry.
going to print out this statement right here. So I'm going to hit stop again. And now that's basically how we have our first branch with if statements, but there's more we can add on top of this. And the next branch I can show you is an else statement. So basically what we're going to do is inside of our block of code we have over here, we're going to drop 2 lines like this. It could be 1 or 2 lines, it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to hit backspace so that we have proper indentation right here to line up with the if keyword. So we're going to say else just like this, and then we're going to hit enter. So then what we're going to do is add another print statement like this saying the if statement failed, just like this. So what's going to happen here is it's going to check if 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. And if it's not true, then it's going to go down to this else statement and it's going to print out whatever is inside of this block of code right here. So if we go into the game and hit play, then what we should see is that the if statement failed.
Now, hang on. Now try and click run and see what it says.
Okay, it's still. Oh wait. It says, "Oh hi God."
Yes. And now, hang on. Let me make it true. And now see what it says.
It says, "Bitch, please." Dude,
Yes!
it's working. Yes.
Do we learning? Do we learning? Do we learning?
Because we tried checking if 2 plus 3 is equal to 4, which we know is
Do
not
we
true.
learning, man?
So that is something you can do with the else statement.
We
And
are,
once
my
again, some
God.
things to keep in mind is you need to have
It's
your
4
else
a.m., what the
keyword
fuck?
line up with the if statement.
Wait, what?
It can't be over
4 a.m.
here.
Oh my god, it is. What the hell? I thought it was just 3 a.m. Dude, gulp. It's 4 a.m. Say, oh hi god.
Oh hi God. Thank you for waking me up this morning.
Thank
What?
you for. Oh hi god. I'm not going to bed anytime soon. I'm learning
I'm not
Lua.
either.
I'm learning Lua.
And it most certainly cannot be, I don't know, over here or something. It has to line up with the if statement.
I
And
agree,
you need
yes!
to have each branch be indented like this for each part of the if statement. So I'm going to hit stop, and that is basically how we add an else statement to it. But now I'm going to show you what an else if statement is. So an else if statement is basically another if statement that gets checked if the first if statement fails. So basically what it's
statement,
going
bro.
to look like
Elf
is we're going to
statement.
drop 2 lines again here, and I'm going to hit backspace so that we line up with the if and the else accurately. So we're going to say else if, just like this. So this is one word, else if. We're going to say if 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And then we're going to hit enter. And now what we can do here is say print, open and close parentheses, 2 plus 2 does actually equal to 4 here. Just to like differentiate it a little bit. So we first start with our if statement. So 2 plus 3 does not equal to 4. So it's going to skip this. And it's going to go down here to check if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is true. So it's going to print this statement. And it's going to skip the else because we know that this is true. So if we go into the game and hit play, then we should see in the output that 2 plus 2 does actually equal to 4 here. So that is our if statement structure that we have going on here that I think you'll find to be
Else if.
extremely,
Now
extremely
click it,
useful.
click it.
Now we can add.
It says, "Bitch, please."
Alright, hang on. Now, check it now. Click it now.
One meat, please.
Yes! Oh my god!
Yes. Oh my God, we're working. We're
And now,
getting
no.
it.
Hang on. One more test. If this works, then we code in gods. Ready? Click play.
Alright, I'm ready.
What does it say?
Oh hi God.
What'd you
I
do?
don't think it worked. I don't
Wait,
think it's
what'd you
working.
do? Hang on, ready? Yo! Oh my god! It worked. Oh my god, it worked.
Dude, no way.
Wait, what if we do this though? Bitch, please. Dude, we code in Legends. We code in Legends.
If we also make that one 4, it's gonna do, the first one, right?
It's gonna do bitch, please. So if bitch,
I see.
please is 4 in any case, then it will always be bitch, please. If bitch, please is 5 and 1 weed, please is 4, then it would be 1 weed, please. If 1 weed, please is 5 and bitch, please is 5, then it's oh hi god. Yo, oh my god. Boy, we be coding Legends. Boy, we be coding Legends. I understand it now. I'm sorry. I'm excited.
Yeah, no,
Add
it's
more
okay.
else if statements if we want to here. So if we drop a line and then go down here, we can write another else if here by saying if 1 plus 1 equals to 2, then we can print 1 plus 1 does equal to 2, just like this. And we're also going to change this to something different so that we can make sure that this one passes through correctly. So if we hit play, then what we should see is 1 plus 1 does.
Hang on. I am learning. I'm learning a lot.
Gotta test it out.
Yeah. I'm trying. And then we click yeah. Print. Boy, I'm dead. Yep, and then click play, click play. What does it say?
1 weed, please.
Huh, that's weird.
This one passes through
Huh.
correctly.
Huh.
So
Oh,
we
I
hit play,
forgot to change
then what we should
this.
see is 1 plus 1 does equal.
Now, it should say boy, I'm dead. What does it say?
It says, boy, I'm dead.
Yes! Yes!
Good job.
To 2.
Good boy.
So if we hit stop
Yes,
and go back to our
good
script, we can see how this logic applies because we start here, it doesn't work. We then go over here, it doesn't work, and then we go over here, it does work. So then it prints the message,
Yeah, see?
and it basically skips the else if nothing works. The only time it would go into the else is if all of these statements did not work. So you can kind of understand the structure going on here, and it's definitely very important to understand if a certain criteria or condition is met, then we're going to execute a specific part of the code
I
and
gotcha.
not execute the other parts of the code if we don't need to have that. Now, this is going to be useful for our functions that we've created in previous episodes. So that's actually what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to select everything here. So I'm going to hit Control A and I'm going to hit backspace. So now what we're going to do is create
wanna do the
our
honors?
addition function just
Yes.
End it all.
like we did in previous episodes by saying
okay.
local function addition, open and close parentheses, and then we're going to pass in 2 arguments. So the first argument is going to be number 1, and then we're going to separate this with a comma, and then we're going to have number 2 as our second parameter. So then we're going to hit enter, and then what we're going to do is have our if statement structure inside of this addition function so that we can print stuff depending on what the result is from this. So what we're going to do is write a result variable by saying local result equals number 1 plus number 2, just like this. And then we're going to drop 2 lines down here, and then we're going to make an if statement. So we're going to say if result equals 4. So once again, make sure you're using 2 equal signs, not 1 equal sign, because we're comparing values together rather than assigning variables. So we're going to say then we're going to make a print statement by saying the result is equal to 4. And then we're going to make an else if statement by saying else if result equals to, let's say, 6. Then we're going to make a print statement by saying the result is equal to 6, just like this. And if both of these fail, then we're just going to write an else statement. Once again, make sure that the alignment is correct over here. So we're going to say else, and then we're going to say print none of these results add up. Just like that. And so now we're going to call this addition function down here by saying addition, open and close parentheses. So the first number we're going to add is 2, 2. So it's going to fall under this branch. And then we're going to make another addition function call right here. And then we're going to put 3 and 3 just like this. And then we're going to make another addition function call by saying 4 and 2. So both of these are going to fall under this one. And then we're going to make an addition function call for, I don't know, some big number like 10 and 10. So now what will happen is if we go into the game and hit play, then what we should see in the output is
All right. Click play and see what it says.
Huh, I don't see anything.
What the?
I think you fucked it up.
I didn't fuck anything up. Shit. Oh, fuck. I did fuck something up. Here. Let me try this. Shit. Oh. What the fuck? What happens? Oh, there we go.
for, I don't know, some big number like 10 and 10.
Yeah. That's what it was asking.
Print,
That's what it was asking.
print no.
Print, no. Yeah. Uh, 4-2. Like that one interloper. Interloper! Interloper!
That's too niche. I didn't get the reference.
Dude, 4-2. Interloper. No, not 5. 10, 1. 10, 10. Ben 10. Alright, now click.
So now
Click play, click play. Now let's see what it says.
It says, bitch please, dude maybe 2x, and then no.
Oh my god.
I mean x2.
Bitch, please. Dude, maybe. And no.
Now, what
No.
will happen is if we go into the game and hit play, then what we should see in the output is the result is equal to 4,
Yes.
so it checked 2 and 2, which in this case it is true. Then it's going to check for 3 and 3, which does equate to 6, and then finally 4 and 2, which also equates to 6. So it printed this twice. And then obviously for 10 and 10, that equals to 20, which didn't fall into any of these conditions. So it went into the else statement saying that none of these results
Ben
add
10.
up. So
Ben
this is
10.
how we can add our if statements to our functions, and you can probably think of other ways you can add this inside of your scripts now that we know that we can use conditions to execute code when it meets certain requirements. So I'm just gonna hit stop, and that is essentially the end of understanding if statements. One final thing I want to mention here is understanding what happens if we have two if statements. So I'm actually going to delete this else and else if statement over here. So I'm just going to select these two and then hit backspace and then backspace again. So now let's see what happens if we have another if statement. So if we say if result equals to 4, then we're going to make a print statement by saying basically the same thing over here. So I'm just going to copy what was in here. So I'm going to hit Control C.
You do it.
And then I'm going to select this and then
Okay.
hit Control V just like this. And I'm also going to get rid of these 3 addition function calls right here just to have this one. So now if we go into the game, hit play, then what we should
Wait,
see
what
in
did
the
he do?
output is the result is
He did this. You're right. There. We now click play. Yo, bitch, please,
Yo.
dude. Yo, yo,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. All right, next video. I
equal to
think.
4 being printed out twice.
You should upload your
Wait.
vid now.
What?
Upload your vid.
I think I did. Hang on, let me look. Oh, here we go. Okay. Wait, I'm recording more too.
No, it's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just send me this one so I can, like, save it.
Alright, are you ready?
No, it's not made for kids. I'm ready.
No, it's not made for kids. Alright, yeah.
Oh my god, Reddit. God.
Oh my god, Reddit. Holy clip! Wait, let's watch this video.
You never showed me this one.
God, it's
it
so
is so
fucking
loud.
loud!
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
It just kept getting louder and louder.
it just kept getting louder.
Oh my god, you were so bad back then.
It was so fucking bad. Wait, look at this. Wait, look at this.
Bruh.
Oh my god. I have a 96.
Okay, you can send me the bid now. God. Wait, how old is this? Like
This
a
is-
year old?
This is how wait, when was this? Wait, shit, hang on.
I think it's, should be details, I think, yeah. No. Analytics is like, I don't know.
Wait.
No, that's not it, it's not it. I don't think. Oh wait, it is. June 9th. Wait, no? What the fuck? May 13th.
Wait.
That's because it's unlisted.
Yeah, that's because it's
Can you imagine not getting a single viewer?
not getting a single view and it's like is there a video that is like really old that's not gotten a single view? I
Maybe.
want to know. I want to know what the oldest zero view video is. That is public. All right, here I'm sending you the video. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am
Yeah,
ready.
I'm ready.
Yes, I am ready. Well, it's about to knock your socks
Then,
off.
upload the fucking vid.
Yeah, hang on.
I mean, not upload. I mean, yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Copy and send
Yeah.
the link to me.
Yeah. Of course. All right, here you go. You ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am ready. There. Me and Lex.
Are you ready?
All right, you ready? We're not gonna watch
Yeah,
it
you
right
gotta
now.
be ready. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm just like
Yeah. All right, are you ready to continue though?
scoping. Yes, I'm ready.
Scoping.
Because if we go inside of our script, then
Oh. So this should mean actually, bitch please. And if I click play, it says bitch please twice. 2 bitch pleases.
Why is it twice? Oh,
2 bitch ply. I don't know.
it's first going to check if the result is equal to 4, then it does
Yeah.
print this.
Yeah.
But then it's going to go down here to check again
To
Yeah.
bitch
if the
fly.
result is equal to 4, then the result is equal to 4. Now, obviously, it doesn't have to be this
Yeah.
condition
To
specifically.
4.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't have to be the same condition, but
To,
it has
to
to
4.
be like
To 4. Yeah.
two different if statements that meet the requirement of whatever this condition is to then execute both of these code blocks. So that is something important to know about when you're using if statements, is that if you have multiple
All right, boy. You want to watch this?
Okay, I'm watching.
Never mind. I can't. I can't.
I don't think we're ever gonna use this though.
Yeah. Okay. It's just gonna. He's doing the learning like objective of the day or whatever.
Yeah.
Go to the next video.
Alright.
Welcome back to my Roblox beginner scripting tutorial series. My name is Braldev, and in this episode we'll be discussing about scoping. Now, this is once again another important concept we need to know about, and before I'm able to explain it to you, what we're going to do is first go inside of one of our scripts that we've already created in past episodes. Instead of creating a new script, we're actually just going to go back to our if statements scripts that we created in the last episode. So I'm just going to double click on this. And what we're going to do is actually delete everything we've had so far with the script. So I'm just going to select everything and then hit backspace to delete everything. And for this episode, we're going to be talking about scoping. Now, in order for me to explain
I wonder if it's backspace or backslash.
For what?
I'm trying to see if I can make what's like the Oh, I figured it out. Okay, never mind. Look. I figured out. Okay, it's two hyphens or like two dashes. That's how you make like editor quotes. See, like
I see.
say shit in your like thing. Yeah, say something. Say something. Like I go up here. What the fuck happened? I go up here and then I do like this. What? Yeah. Shut up. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Okay. Dude, LMFAO boy. Dude, LMFAO boy 10. Boy 10. Boy 100. Oh my god. Like the video. Dude, LMFAO. What's up, Lex? Yo, Lex, dab me up, bro. Bitch, please. Bitch, please. Hang on. Press play. What does it say? Bitch, please. Dude, LMFAO. Boy 100. Dude, I thought I was gonna boy 100 times. Oh, wait, we forgot the other number. Wait. 6 9. 6 9. Oh. 6 7. Dude, LMFAO boy 6 7. All right, we have to we have to turn this one off. We have to turn it, disable it. Okay, and then make a new one. Script. Go to the script now. What? Yo, look at this, Lex. Yeah, that's what I said. Come on, yo, look at the script. Look at the script. Join the script that I am in. I am in the new script. Yeah. Bipolar disorder. Dude, I got diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Did I tell you that? Wait, did I tell you that? I believe that. No, I understand. I'm sorry. I apologize. 1 minute you're happy, next minute you're sad. Bitch, please put a leash on. Yeah, and then in the 1 minute I'm sad, and the next minute I'm happy. Like, boy. Yeah, boy. Wait, you boy do? Yeah. Self-diagnosing. I actually have autism. Why do people like think autism is like oh how quirky, 6'7" quirky? Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I have autism because they want to be like stand out. They want attention. It's always attention. But then you gotta remember. You gotta remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. Wait, what does that mean? If you're a baby, does that mean like you're basically like never existing? Can babies think? That's a good question. Can babies think? Can babies think? Are babies real? Are babies real? Dude, I want to age for friends. Sweet, dude. Bipolar disorder destroy. My big number. What's up? Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Why? Now? No, it's so easy. Yeah, it's so easy. Like I can get through. No, it's not like it's like I can do it literally whenever I want. And yeah, yes, thank you. I am a good boy. I am a bitch. Please put a leash on me. Bitch, please put a leash on me. You're like actually asking. Well, I'm waiting. Whoa, what the hell? Yes, I want this. What the fuck? Yo, look at the code, bro. What the hell happened? I am a master coder. I don't know. I don't. Big one. Big one. Okay, big one. Big one. Yeah, call it, 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 call it. Hang on, ready? Fuck, wait, hang on. I keep clicking caps lock. Okay, click play. True. Oh my god, I'm a fucking genius. Dude, I'm so clumsy. I need a leash on me. I accidentally did something. Hang on. Wait. Shit. Uh, God, I'm trying. Fuck. There we go. Now, whatever the fuck this means. What the fuck is nil? Go? Huh. Oh. Yeah. I see, I see. Wait, we can look back on our previous, like... We can look back on our previous, like, code, like, scripts. Like, look. Go to... Go to variables. Voice cracker. Okay. Okay. Voice cracker. No! I wanna keep learning. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to keep learning. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna keep learning. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah.
All right, now if I print, it'll say what? No, bud. All right, never mind. Boy, that is boy. Let's try this again. Wait, no, we already did. You want to keep learning, or do you want to keep playing? Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Bro, oh my god, it's you want to keep learning, or do you want to play a game? No, take some initiative, man. Where's your damn initiative? What do you want to do? Yeah, like learning how to do shit. Yeah, let's keep learning, man. All right, let's go. Yeah. No. Wait, what is it? What is it? It's not. I'm not. It's not really making any sense. Hang on. Hang on. I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. Hang on. If results. Are you making your own script? Where's your script at? Oh, you're watching me. Watching me. Like I know, right? You're so right. You're so correct. So yeah. So okay. That means local result equals nil. If the result equals nil,
then local result 1 equals true, print result. If not, which means the result does not equal nil, then result 2 equals false. So it's a heads I win, tails you lose, I think is the best way of putting it. I kind of understand. Yeah, and yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, because it doesn't determine that before it decides to print. It has to be after if it wants to talk to them. I see. Learning objective. Oh my god. You want to do that? You want to do the learning objective? All right. Well, wait. What was the learning objective anyway? What was it? Shut up. All right, here. Can you look at this and like figure it out? What is he saying? What's he saying? What's he saying? Oh, so like this. Hang on. Like else. Else. What the? That would be cool. Oh, I have entered flow state. I've entered flow state. Look. It's going to kill you. Wait, look. All right, now click. What the hell? There. Oh my god, fuck. All right, I'm learning. I learned. I learned. All right, we learned. We learned. We learned. All right, next video. I'm going. Wait, that sounds fun. I kind of want to do that now. Just to do that. Aw. You keep exploiting. You are a bitch. Wait. Hang on. How do I summon like things? Yeah. I want a Dominus, bro. I want a Dominus. Yeah, the Dominus, bro. The fucking Dominus is so cool. Core blocks can suck my dick. Dominus is the best. Yeah. How do I, shit, how do I use this? I'm not sure what's going on. Okay. What now? Where's that at? No, I'm trying to put down like a couple of dudes that'll like run around and shit. I'm trying to put down some little guys. Oh, what the hell? What is that? Wait, where? How do you? How are you like getting them? Where do you go to get them? Model? Where's that? Where's the creator store? Oh, down here. Wait, is this it? Wait, no, 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 it's not. No, no, you're wrong. Wait, where's the toolbox? Oh, I found it. I found it. What? What is? What am I supposed to do? Wait, that would be fun. Why is mine like, um, have no like mouth? Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't know what I just did. I think I just undid a lot of scripts. Alright, that's whatever. How do you, what's it, Control C? No, Control P? No, fuck, hang on. Control M. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, fuck. I just deleted the script. My name is Bralduff? Okay, hang on. How to redo. Oh, Control Y is the oh damn. I'm sorry, Lex. I gained experience. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Uh,
boy, it's 5 a.m. Look, me neither. It's good. We already know a numerical example. If 2 plus 2 doesn't equal 4, then it won't show up. Shrugs at you. Oh yeah, you have a wooting, bro. Fucking dumb. I guess I'll be your coder then. Since I have all the keys on my damn keyboard. Fuck. What? Okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. If 2 plus 2. Huh. Something you're not able to do. Judge. Yeah, but if I say 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 2 equals 5, then it will work. Bruh. No. No. Not going back. One sec, dude. I'm actually. Hang on. And that's the end of the video. Goodbye. Say goodbye.